In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by selecting Gallery app and tapping on Pictures or Albums at the bottom. Then pick photos that you wish to delete. Hold one of them and use those type of dots at the top left corner to select multiple right away. In order to keep some of them, tap on the chosen ones, and to get rid of the rest, use Delete button at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!